The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties. The following counties in Nevada: Clark and Nye. The following counties in the following county in California: San Bernardino. And the following county in Arizona, Mojave, Arizona. This thunderstorm is located just 2 miles south of Enterprise, moving north at 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Enterprise, Las Vegas, Henderson, The Strip, Mojave, Lincoln County, and Nye County. Seek in a basement to stay safe. Stay tuned for more updates. 45 minutes later. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a tornado warning for the following counties in Nevada: Clark, Nye, Lincoln, and the following county in California: San Bernardino, California. The following county in Arizona Mojave, until 5:26 in the afternoon. Stay in the basement. Stay tuned for more updates. Locations impacted include Enterprise, Las Vegas, Henderson, McCarran International Airport, the Las Vegas Strip, downtown Las Vegas. If you're in the tornado's path, seek shelter in the basement. Stay tuned for more updates. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for Clark, Nevada, Nye, Nevada, Mojave, Arizona, San Bernardino, California. As of 9:59 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a flood was approaching Enterprise, moving south-southeast at 95 miles per hour. Also, as of 9:59 p.m., power outages almost 5,000 to 7,000 people in the path of the flood has been reporting power outages that are not working. Cities in the path are The Strip and Enterprise. Turn around. Don't drown from encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths are occurred in vehicles.